Welcome to Biotech Now. This is Tracy Foley, and today I am here with William Waddill, and he is the Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer of OncoMed Pharmaceuticals. And Mr. Waddill will be speaking at a Senate committee hearing tomorrow on banking, housing, and urban affairs. The hearing is going to be on spurring job growth through capital formation while protecting investors. Welcome.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
So to start us off, just give us a few highlights of your testimony.
Sure. So the issue facing the industry, for phase us back to the beginning of the industry, is that we always need capital. And in the last few years, capital has been very scarce. Lay on top of that, there have been increased regulations that make access to that capital more difficult. So we're going to go and speak tomorrow and try and elucidate our point of view in how appropriate legislation is important for protecting shareholders, but it has to be balanced with the access to capital.
And tell us more generally how you feel the federal government can help emerging small biotech.
Sure. The way the regulations stand, federal regulators are a roadblock. They've put themselves in a roadblock position, and that was an unintended consequence of what they did back in 2002 with Sarbanes-Oxley and the reaction to that crisis that happened with various companies down the Southwest. What we're trying to do is open up or have a dialogue so that they will see that unintended consequence really stifles innovation. Our lack of ability to get to capital because of these requirements is very costly. And these are funds and amounts that I would much rather spend on hiring scientists or researchers, or more importantly, in the clinic, treating patients, and in particular to my company, cancer patients who are very ill.
And obviously you represent industry, so can you talk about how you feel it's important for industry to be up in front on the Hill for the policymakers?
Sure. Education is always important, and we are in a unique industry that is long-term in nature in terms of investing, and it's very capital intensive. We are much different than most other industries, so to get that message out there and to get that understanding out there is very important. And Bio's been very supportive in delivering that, and I'm happy to help with that.
Well, thank you in advance for speaking on behalf of Bio at tomorrow's hearing, and thank you for being on Biotech Now. For Biotech Now, this is Tracy Foley.